we recently just wrapped up working on a McLaren 650S. Gorgeous car. The color was like a very bright, vibrant, orangish, kind of red color. The gentleman desperately wanted to protect that paint. It was one of the reasons that he bought the car. Really stood out to him. So the value of that for him was extreme. What we did was apply Lumar paint protection film. This film is self-healing. If it does get scratched, it will fix itself. For the film to protect itself is extremely valuable. The first thing we did with this customer was, kind of discuss what exactly his expectations were and what our capabilities were. Initially, he wanted the car done in 8 hours and he wanted just a minimal kit on it. And after that discussion, it turned into, we want to do a lot more. It's something to the point that we don't want to rush it. We want it to look absolutely perfect. It didn't change the color of his car or the sheen of his car. The customer's 100% happy. He did his research and he found, the products that we use to be the best, and the reviews that we have is the reason he came to us.